Are you on a project that has unhappy stakeholders, or your scope continues to change, or you're spending more time in meetings than doing actual work? If yes, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Chiranjeev Devgan. I also go by CJ. I'm a lifelong student of project management. Over the last 30 years, I have successfully executed a number of large digital transformational programs for Fortune 100 companies like Deloitte Consulting, Computer Sciences Corporation, Fiat Chrysler, just to name a few. I'm bringing to you a 4-hour live workshops where I will show you how to improve outcomes of your projects. So if you are an individual who is running a project that is not going according to the plan, or are interested in learning about the art of project management, then these workshops are for you. These are live workshops, which means you can ask me any questions that you may have or the challenges that you're encountering on your current projects.